How does solar wind affect space weather? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how the sun influences our planet? The answer lies in a fascinating phenomenon known as solar wind. Solar wind is a constant stream of charged particles, mainly electrons and protons, that flows from the sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona. This flow travels through space and interacts with the magnetic fields of planets, including Earth. So, how does this interaction shape what we call space weather? At its core, solar wind transfers energy from the sun to Earth's magnetic environment. When a strong gust of solar wind hits Earth, especially during events like coronal mass ejections, it can disturb our planet's magnetic field. This disturbance leads to what we know as geomagnetic storms. These storms create currents in Earth's magnetosphere and can heat the upper layers of the atmosphere, such as the ionosphere and thermosphere. These changes can have real-world effects. For instance, they can disrupt communication systems, affect satellite operations, and even impact power grids. The solar wind also carries the sun's magnetic field, which can collide with Earth's magnetic field, causing turbulence. This interaction can produce stunning natural displays like the auroras, those beautiful glowing lights seen near the poles. These lights occur when charged particles from the solar wind excite gases in the atmosphere, creating vibrant colors. From a practical standpoint, solar wind and space present challenges for technology and human activities in space. Energetic particles can penetrate spacecraft electronics, causing malfunctions. This poses a risk for satellites and astronauts, especially as missions extend beyond Earth's protective magnetic bubble to the Moon and Mars. Shielding materials, such as aluminum, are used to protect spacecraft, but faster particles traveling near the speed of light remains a concern. The speed of solar wind and its magnetic polarity also influence space weather conditions. High-speed solar winds often lead to more intense geomagnetic storms, while slower winds result in calmer space weather. The Earth's position relative to structures in the solar wind, like the heliospheric current sheet, affects the nature and severity of space weather impacts. Now, let's consider the spiritual perspective. Solar wind and space weather can be viewed as expressions of the sun's dynamic energy affecting Earth and its inhabitants. This cosmic interaction reflects the interconnectedness of celestial forces and life on our planet. The auroras, for example, have inspired awe and reverence throughout history. They symbolize a visible connection between the heavens and Earth. The impact of solar wind on Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere serves as a reminder of the subtle energetic exchanges that shape our environment. It invites us to reflect on the unity of the universe and our place within it. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember that the solar wind is not just a scientific phenomenon, it is a cosmic dance that connects us all.